Got a 2014 F150 with a 5.0 in it. I got up this morning to go to work, tried to start it, crank no start. Been doing all the research for that. As some of you may know, the number 27 fuse goes bad and causes it to not start, blah, 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 blah. Well, I checked that. I checked everything else. Noticed that the fuel pump wasn't priming. So I did what anybody else would do. Went and got a price on the fuel pump. And the cheapest one I could find was $253. Well, I got to messing around to see if anything else could be wrong. And apparently, there's a fuel pump control module right here. I've already replaced this one. And it's underneath the spare tire. Take the spare tire down. Go up here to the frame. There's two 10mm bolts. Take that out. There's an 8-prong plug on that side. Right there. Take all that out and replace it, and it fired right up. Matter of fact, if you want to check and make sure that's what it is, while my dad was still here, I got underneath it, had him get in the truck to turn the key, and I just took a pair of pliers, knocked on it like that, and it fired right up. So before you go and spend a bunch of money on a fuel pump, spend like $50-something on this. See if that works. Or hit it with a hammer. That's what I did.